Yeah, hello friends. Welcome to my YouTube channel. Uh, I'm here to share some P&IDs on propane tanks. Basically, as you can see, this is a full-fledged developed P&IDs for the propane spherical tank. And as you can see, the title is a propane storage service, basically. And let's see the conditions here. You can see that it's a operating pressure of around 18 bar gauge, 53 degree centigrade temperature, design pressure is 20 bar gauge, full vacuum, and trim is something like CS with some kind of epoxy lining. So so the purpose of this video was to understand how the P&IDs look like and what are the key features when we talk about propane spherical tanks. So you can see this is the feed and it has MOV valves is there. Then it goes all the way into the sphere, and then there are subsequent auxiliary lines are there as well. Which let's see what is that. Some kind of catch basin is there to remove the sludge or kind of dewatering kind of. That's why you can see all these valves are closed and. This is the pump out connection connected to the pump. You can see the vortex breaker is there, and these are the minimum circulation recycle, minimum circulation flow from the different pumps. This is reconnection for steam out, nitrogen purging, and stuff like that. Then we see the instrumentation here, and we find that there's a PTs there, PLL, PHH alarms, strips are there, PIC control. How the control is happening here? Control is let's see. Uh, you can see that controller is here basically how the signal is. So you can see these PVs are there which is controlling the pressure, and uh, PV connects the pressure through how it is connecting. You can see it is going to the flare. You can see here it goes to the flare. So excess pressure is there, so it's kind of split control, and excess pressure goes to the flare actually. This you can see this PV is there which is like connecting to the flare, and here you can see, one second, yeah, it is HP flare it is going, and some bypasses are there across the PV. Then PSVs are there. What is the set pressure of the PSV that we quickly set? We saw the design pressure like 20 bar gauge. You can see here the set pressure is there. Just zoom in a bit actually so that you guys can see properly. The PIC 18 and the set pressure low is 5.28, and this is the PSV set pressure 20 bar gauge, and flow meter is already provided also. You can see the flow meter, and the main gas basically. So idea is that to keep the LPG or propane in the liquid form, and in case of boil off or temperature rise, the pressure PV takes control and give it to the flare actually. So that's why you can't see any flare, any possible gas boil off line or gas line, because the intent is to keep it into liquid form. And you can see this is a kind of LT is there. What kind of there? Let's see. Note 31. 31 says what? Radar gauge. So let's zoom out a bit actually. Yes, and let's go through the note 31. We saw that note 31. We zoom out a bit to fit it in the screen. Yeah, so 31 says that it is a radar gauge type actually. So you can see this is the LT. The temperature composition is there, plus you can see there's a label control, alarms are there with the temperature composition, and temperature gauge is also there actually. What is note 35 saying? It says deviation alarm to be configured based on operation requirement. So in this case of so you can see this again, there's one more GWR type level transmitters, and it is matching the results with this particular LIT, and that's why there's a deviation alarm is there to check if there's a discrepancy. Then it can give an alarm that okay, this is looks like a faulty level control. Then there is a temperature high and low, and what else, there's a positional switches, like MOVs are there, shutdown valves are there, and propane, and then there's some kind of some kind of drain connections are there actually. So so some typical you'll see the notes, how the notes look like push button shall be located away from the MOV and sphere to give a new fire rate zone. Then bulk draining of the sphere can be achieved by transferring the inventory to other sphere, just this one. Then typical notes are there, water drain shall be discharged at the point. Then check valve should check valve used for flood connection is for dual service propane and for fire water or something like that. So and minimum flare drum, minimum slope is there, and stuff like that. So these are all detailed design notes, and plus there's a legend for this things are there. So this is a short video, so I'm not going into that much detail, and hope you like my video, and stay tuned for more such process engineering documents, and we will discuss slowly one by one so that it gives you the flavor that how engineering teams works actually, and you can understand that how to solve problems or to see how the drawings look like. Thanks for watching. Do subscribe my channel, and stay tuned for more such information on process engineering documents. Thanks a lot.